Task number 6, conclusion. In this room, we have covered various Tcpdump options, along with Wireshark and Tshark. Tcpdump is an excellent tool for better understanding networking protocols. We kept this room's level easy. However, we showed much of Tcpdump's power, especially when you have to shift through thousands and millions of packets. Answer the questions below. Ensure you have noted the various Tcpdump options we covered in this room. Don't you worry, I will give you free cheat sheets in the near future with a lot of important tools. So yes, we have noted Tcpdump options. Let's see what's next for us. Alright, it's completed. Go to the next room. Cybersecurity, continue learning. Alright, so the next room will be, let's see. Tcpdump, that's done. Nmap, the basics.